All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Supcase sent over another case for the 14-inch and the 16-inch MacBook Pros, and we're going to get into this box. Now, currently, as you know, I am using this black Supcase Unicorn Beetle, but check out what's in this box right here. Check this out. The clear version. So nice. So I'm going to crack this open here and put it on for you. This current one that I'm using, it's been holding up great. I've been using it. I've been kind of moving around with the MacBook Pro now a little bit more since I have a case for it. And it's just been great. So pretty simple. It tells you the instructions on how to do it. Let's go ahead and get this inner one. I'll peel this off after I get it open, but here is the bottom portion. As you can see, it's really protected here. So before we do that, let's go ahead and take this one off. You can just go along the edge here. Comes off really simple. So and this one has held up great, man. No problems whatsoever. But it's very nice to see that they have a clear version as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on here. This is the front portion. And just looking at this, you can see all the drop protection that it's going to offer here. So let's go ahead and get this inner one pulled out here. And I'll go ahead and wipe off the MacBook, and then we'll put the bottom portion on. Really nice. So now let's get the screen protector off, because there is one on the inside here. It's got a little tab. It's telling you to pull right here. There we go. Oh yeah, there's a little tab. So very nice. And I'm just gonna put it on the way it's supposed to go, and then I'll take off the. Oh, this clear one is really nice. I really like it. Really nice. Yeah, see, it tells you to connect. It's super easy how to get it. And this time I got it on right, because I remember the other video I had it on backwards. But that's okay. So let's get this peeled off here. Ah, yes. The joys. Oh, a little bit of dirt got in there. Go figure. Nonetheless, let's flip it over. And here is the difference in color from the black one. You can see from the clear one. Same design and everything. It's just clear. Really, really nice. So let's put this to the side. And then we'll peel off this inner one. Let's clean off the MacBook real quick. So, you know, there's hardly any cases for the MacBook 14-inch. And I think Supcase is the only one right now that's even doing anything for us. You can hear the snaps. You can hear the little snaps there. And this one, since it's clear, man, oh man. There we go. There's the snaps. Look at that. That is just a beautiful thing. Oh man, you can see the corners here for the drop protection. You can see all of that, and you can actually see your MacBook in its all its glory. You can see the color of it and everything. You can just see it out, and this clear one actually looks a heck of a lot better than I thought it would, to be honest. So as you can see here, the ports and everything is going to be the same on the black one. All the vents are all open, and then you've got the back all open right here, and then the vents on this side, and then your ports. So man, and again, it's different on this one because you can actually see the corners for the drop protection. That's really cool. This clear one is so beautiful. I mean, I like the black one, but man, this clear one is nice. And again, the back of this thing is just a big portal on the back here for the vent. And it is just nice. So let me show you the difference here. These are technically two different cases. You can see the black one, it has ridges and a design all around it. And the clear one, it's just clear. and it has the corner protection. So this one, if dropped, will probably protect it just as much. But I really appreciate them sending this over. You can get the gist of how the differences are in design. This one pretty much has a flat, clear. I think a lot of people will probably like this one because it's kind of subtle. It's not as in your face when compared to the black one. But this is definitely really nice, and I can appreciate what they're doing here by bringing out different models for the MacBook Pro lineup here. This is for the 14, and again, they do have it for the 16 too. I have a link to these down below. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy, and shout out to Supcase once again for taking care of your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.